Good day, Ma'am Maristella. Today, our group will be discussing Fulger's ecological model of communication. So, this model explains how communication happens through the interaction of four main elements: the media, the language, the message, and the people involved. It also shows that communication depends on the context or environment where it takes place. So, to explain this better, we prepared three different school situations that shows how this element works in different contexts. So for our first situation, the media is the canteen. This is where students usually relax and talk freely during breaks. The language used in this setting is informal. It often includes slang, inside jokes, and casual expressions because students are more comfortable with one another. The message usually revolves around assignments, plans, or personal topics such as what to do after class or weekend activities. So, this example shows that in informal settings like the canteen, communication tends to be light, friendly, and spontaneous. People focus more on social connection rather than accuracy or structure in their language.
The second situation happened in the school hallway, where two students are discussing their homework. Here, the media is still face-to-face in communication, but the environment is slightly more academic. The language is a mix casual and formal. The students use academic terms when preparing for their lessons, but still speak in a relaxed and conversational tone. The message is centered on assignment, question, deadline, and clarification. This scenario shows how communication can adjust depending on purpose. Even though the environment is informal, the topic, the students use a more thoughtful and organized way to speak.
Scenario 3. The third example also takes place in the school hallway, but this time, the students are practicing for a role play performance. In case, the media remains face-to-face communication, but the purpose and tone are different. The language used scripted and expressive. It may include exaggerated tone or emotion because it is meant for performance and the message and focus on scene practice, feedback, and performance steps. This is example how communication become more performative and intentional. Students use language not only to express meaning but also to convey emotion and dramatic effect.